Hey, welcome back to another video. We are at the Ford Explorer, and here's what we're going to do. Cabin air filter, all right? Cabin air filter is pretty small, pretty simple. We're hoping we got the right one. Let's go show you how you get at it. It's not the easiest thing, all right? We took it part way apart so we can show you, and then we'll show you the reassembly process. Funny though, the car manual doesn't tell you anything. It says, if you have an air filter, make sure you maintain it. Doesn't show you where it is. It says it's behind the glove box. Whoop-de-doo. Doesn't tell you how to open the glove box and get the glove box out of the way. Doesn't tell you any of this stuff, all right? It's just pure nothing in the manual. You know, back when they made car manuals, they used to show you how do you set the valves. Now they show you don't drink the battery contents. Come on, man. How stupid are people? Oh, well, hey, here's how you change your air filter. All right, so you can see you got a little door here. This is the little door where the air filter is behind this door. So we're going to figure out how to get this open. I know it's behind that door right there. All right, so see that tab and the light there? We pulled that towards us. There's another one over here. We got to put our finger behind and pull it towards us, and it should pop open. So see if we can get our finger back there. Oh, you can't get your hand back there at all. There we go. Okay, so we got it off. There, you can see the air filter in there. And here we can pull it out. Oh man, look at that. Man. All right, well, I guess it's dirty, huh? Boy, look at the difference there. That's really dirty. Oh, let's open up the other one. We'll put it back. All right, so we compared it for size. Looks the same. Big difference. 1 year. That's 1 year on the road. Just kind of push this into the slot. And it might take two hands, so I might not be able to show you getting it in there perfectly. But it looks like we got it in there okay. The cover's going to go back on here. It looks like it could go up in these tabs here. And then we're going to pop it down. Unfortunately, I don't think I can get the camera to show you this. See where that is. So basically what we're going to do, is stick those tabs up in there. Just push this in. That goes in easy. Went in real easy. Now we have to work on the glove box. See the light on that part right there. That part right there, okay? Went on the side of the glove box. Right there. So we're going to put the hinge back in, and then we're going to hook that back. So wish us luck. All right, don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't let your air filter get this bad like I did. But I've been changing these once a year, all right, to be honest. I do it every spring after all the road salt is off the ground. So, hey, there you go. Should be good. Just so you know, this part was like 12 bucks, 13 bucks, something like that. Bought it online. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Let's do the engine air filter next.